Hey, if you are posting content but nobody's trusting you, following you, or buying from you, then this is for you. Most creators and service professionals make the same mistake. They think content is about posting more, doing trends, copying reels, or chasing followers. It's not. That's why our content feels invisible and why your audience doesn't see you as expert you actually are. And I get it, it's frustrating. You spend hours shooting videos, editing posts, writing captions, and it still gets no reach, no trust, and definitely no clients. You start doubting yourself. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe content isn't for me. But the truth is, it's not your fault. You were never taught how to communicate authority. So, on this Sunday at 11 a.m., I am hosting a free live webinar called the Content Authority Masterclass, where I will show you the exact authority content I have used to help coaches, consultants, trainers, and service professionals become a go to expert in their industry, even with low followers, zero confidence, and no fancy setup. I'm going to teach you how to create content that makes people stop, listen, trust, and buy. If you are tired of being invisible and you want to become the authority people choose, then click the link below and register now. I will see you live on this Sunday at 11 a.m. See you then. Bye bye.